Hey y'all, welcome back! I'm so glad you're joining me today in my kitchen, where I love to share tips, tricks, and a little bit of fun. Whether you're a seasoned home chef or just starting out, there's always something new to learn and ways to make your kitchen work better for you. Today, we're diving into one of my absolute favorite topics, kitchen organization. A tidy kitchen isn't just about looks, it's about making your daily routine smoother and more enjoyable. From finding your favorite spatula in seconds to having clear countertops for meal prep, a little organization goes a long way. With a busy family, keeping the kitchen clutter-free is a real challenge, but a well-organized space truly makes life easier. Trust me, I've been there, juggling snacks, homework, and dinner all at once. But with the right systems in place, you can transform even the messiest kitchen into a calm, functional space. If you're ready to turn chaos into charm, stick around for my best storage hacks to maximize your space. We'll cover clever storage ideas, easy decluttering tips, and ways to keep everything in its place. Let's get started and make your kitchen the heart of your home. Let's talk pantries, those essential kitchen spaces that somehow end up as black holes for snacks, spices, and canned goods. You know the ones, deep shelves where food gets lost, forgotten, and sometimes never seen again. But it doesn't have to be that way. By installing pull-out shelves, you transform your pantry into a space where everything is visible and within reach, even those sneaky cans hiding in the back corners. Suddenly, putting away groceries becomes a breeze. No more cramming or stacking things precariously, just smooth, organized storage that makes your kitchen feel brand new. Next up, those tricky corner cabinets. Lazy Susans make use of that awkward space, giving you easy access to everything inside. No more unloading half the cabinet just to find what you need. Drawer dividers create designated spaces for all your utensils, keeping things tidy and easy to find. Don't overlook the back of your cabinet doors. Over-the-door organizers are a game changer. Store spices, baking supplies, or cleaning products right at your fingertips. Stackable bins are perfect for grouping snacks, baking supplies, or canned goods. They keep shelves neat and add a touch of rustic charm. Hanging pot racks free up cabinet space and add farmhouse flair. Plus, your favorite pans are always within reach. Magnetic spice racks keep your seasonings visible and accessible. Just mount them to your wall or fridge. Undershelf baskets sneak in extra storage without taking up shelf space. Perfect for dishcloths, snacks, or even small appliances. Clear containers let you see exactly what you have and keep your dry goods fresh and organized. Label everything. Whether with a label maker or a Sharpie, it makes finding and putting things back a breeze. It helps everyone in the family keep your new system on track. That's it, my top 10 kitchen storage hacks for a clutter-free space. I hope these ideas inspire you to transform your kitchen into a more organized, functional, and enjoyable place to cook and spend time with your loved ones. Remember, even small changes can make a big difference. I'd love to hear from you. Share your favorite tip from this list, or tell me about a kitchen struggle you're facing right now in the comments below. Your experiences and creative solutions might help someone else too. And if you enjoyed these tips, don't forget to subscribe for more home organization ideas, clever storage solutions, and practical advice to make your everyday life easier and more enjoyable. Thanks so much for watching. I'm always here to help, so let me know if you have any questions or need more tips. Happy organizing!